Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is a great opportunity to generate short-term or long-term rental income. The building comprises of 4 two-bedroom units with individual entrances and adequate parking. There is space for additional amenities such as children's play area. Olive Park, Santa Cruz is a middle-class community that is well sought after by locals and foreigners alike. The structure is incomplete but advanced. The land area of this property is approximately 5,500 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.